Come get ready with me as a 34-year-old plumber providing for his family.
Between being crushed by life and crushing life. That's why I tell you, smile through the pain.
Okay, so I just got to work. It is 5:33 right now. I got up at 4:30 to get here. Luckily, right now I'm working local, which is beautiful, very rare thing for me. I don't start till 6 a.m., but everybody tries to get here real early because parking is super limited. So what I do is I come here, I drink the remainder of this coffee, and at about 10 to 6, I hop out with my lunch, and I walk through the gates, and I go to the trailer, and I say good morning to the boys. That is my morning as a new construction plumber. Guys, if you like this kind of content, follow me here on TikTok, go subscribe to me on YouTube, and we will